motion in a straight line, plane, and few questions from vectors. So here are the questions. The first question, the distance traveled by a particle is related to a time. So it's what? X is equals to, this is x is equals to 4t square. So then the velocity of the particle at t, this is t is equals to what? 5 seconds. So now just you go for how do you get the velocity? Velocity v is equals to differentiate dx by dt. V is equals to d by dt times of what? 4t square. V is equals to 4 into, so it's a 2t. Then V is equals to 4 into 2 into, what is the t is given? 5. Okay. 4 to the 8, 8 5s are 40 meter per second. Okay. Your answer is this. Here is the question. The question is same like is given as a position and is asking about dx by dt at t is equals to 4 seconds. Okay. Let us try. For first one is this. T is equals to root x plus 4. Root x is equals to what? T minus 4. Then x is equals to t minus 4 whole square. For better understanding, you can go for expansion. Then what? T square plus 16 minus 8t. Then dx by dt is equals to 2t plus 0 minus 8. Differentiation of, so this, for if anybody, so you don't know this, the formula d by dx of x to the power of n is equals to what? N into x power n minus 1. Dx by dt means what? It's velocity. Velocity t is equals to 4 seconds is asking. This is 2 into 4 minus 8. 8 minus 8. The answer is 0. So option B is correct. The velocity of the bullet becomes 1/3. Becomes, he said. So becomes 1/3. It means what? U by 3. After penetrate 4 centimeter. When it travels, what is its distance is what? 4 centimeter. In a wooden block. So this is first part of the question. Assuming that the bullet is facing a constant resistance means what? Retardation. So the bullet stops completely after traveling at a 4 plus x centimeter inside the block. Okay, so just you choose about, this is what? It's a block. This is wooden block. From this wooden block, now here is the bullet is moving. Okay, it's what? With a velocity u. Yes, so here the velocity is what you say? It's a u. The velocity is u. Now when it travels through distance, what distance is said? What? It's a 4 centimeter. It traveled 4 centimeter from here to here. Yes, then its velocity become as what? U by 3. Yes, next one. After traveling a distance 4 plus x distance. Okay, 4 plus x distance means this is what? It's a x distance. Total distance is what? 4 plus x. Its velocity become as what? 0. Okay, so now is asking about the value of x is what? Okay, what is the value of x? Now for the first case, you can apply for this one. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. So v means what? U by 3 whole square minus u square is equals to 2. Retardation minus a. S means what? It's a 4. So it's a u square by 9 minus u square is equals to minus 8a. So this become as what? U square minus 9 u square. 9 means what? Minus 8 u square by 9 is equals to minus 8a. Then acceleration a is equals to what is this? It's a u square by 9. We got it. Is the for first case. And next one for the step 2 I am writing. Okay, so this is what step 2. Step 2 is what from second part. This is the second part. This is first part. So from here, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So v means what? 0 minus u by 3 whole square is equals to 2. Retardation again, minus u square by 9. S means what? It's a x. What is the x? Okay, so minus u square by 9 is equals to minus 2u square by 9 into what? X. U square cancel. 9 cancel. X is equals to what? 1 by 2. X is equals to 0.5 meter. A car is moving with a speed. First one, the speed as mentioned. Okay, here it's a u, let it be. Now after applying the brakes, it will move 27 meter before stops. First situation I'm taking as this is the car. Okay, the car is moving with a speed is what? U. Then it came to the rest position when brakes are applied. V is equals to 0. So then v is equals to 0 means what? Retardation. It traveled what? 27 meter before coming to rest. So the speed is given 150 kilometer per hour. 150 kilometer per hour. Okay, then next one. If the same car is moving with a speed of 1/3 of initial, let it be, this is what? It's a u. So now its velocity is what? U by 3. So it comes to rest at a what distance? What is the velocity? So at the what distance the body comes to rest? Means what? The car comes to rest. So through a distance is what? What do you write the condition from this? V square minus u square is equals to 2as. 0 minus u square is equals to 2 minus a. S means what? Let it be, it's a like, okay, x or x I'm taking as this is s1. Okay, so minus u square is equals to minus 2a s1 is the first condition. And second one, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Okay, 0 minus u square by 9 is equals to 2 into minus a into s2. Okay, is the second case. So this is what? U square is equals to 2a s1. Okay, so next one, here u square by 9 is equals to 2a s2. Okay, so from these two conditions we can use it as, from these two conditions, like now we can write it as what do you say? Equation number 2 by 1 or 1 by 2, you can do it. Equation number 2 by 1. What is the equation number 2? U square by 9 by u square is equals to 2a s2 by 2a s1. 2a cancel. U square cancel. 1 by 9 is equals to s2 by s1. So s2 is equals to, what do you say? 1 by 9 times of s1. What is the s1 is given? 27. So 9 ones are 9 threes are. What is the answer? S2 is equals to 3. It's a meter is the answer. S2 is equals to 3 meter. The answer is what? 3 meter. Question is, a particle is moving in a straight line such that its velocity increasing at a rate 5 meter per second. So increasing at a rate per meter means here the velocity is asking about dv by dx. dv by dx. Velocity increasing at a rate of what? It's a 5 meter per second. dv by dx is equals to what is given? 5 meter per second. Yes. And the acceleration of a particle, so at a point where velocity is 20 meter per second, v is equals to what? Acceleration is the position of With respect to position is what? A is equals to generally what is the condition? dv by dt, no? So we can write it as dv by dx into dx by dt. Okay. So this is equals to dv by dx as it is. Okay. Next one, it's a velocity. dv by dx is given 5 and velocity is given 20. The answer is 5 2s are 10. It's a 100 meter per second square. This is acceleration. So the value is what? It's a 100 acceleration of particle. So 100 meter per second square is the answer. A small toy starts moving from the position of rest. It starts from rest under a constant acceleration if it travels a distance of 10 meter in t seconds. In t seconds. The distance traveled by the toy in the next t seconds is what? So just to take it above, it's a straight line path. Okay. So from here to here, this is what? A, B, and next one is a C. Yes, started from rest, u is equals to 0. So acceleration is constant. It travels a distance is what? 10 meter. So 10 meter in how many seconds? T seconds. Okay. Next one. Then the distance traveled by this in the next t seconds. Next t seconds. Okay. So what is the distance traveled? X is equals to what is the question? Okay. So for first one is about S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Okay. S means what? 10. It's a 0 into t plus half a t square is what? T square only. This 10 is equals to what? Half a t square. This become as what? 20 is equals to a t square is the first condition. And second one, in the next t seconds, means distance traveled is what? 10 plus 2. S is equals to ut plus half a t square. S distance traveled, total distance traveled is 10 plus x is equals to what? 0 plus half a. T means what? It's a 2t whole square. It's a 10 plus x is equals to, so this is what? Half a. It's a 4t square. So now we can write 2 1s are 2, 2s are 10 plus x is equals to 2 times of at square. You know what is at square here? This is what? 20. So 10 plus x is equals to 2 into at square is what? 20. So x is equals to 40 minus 10. X is equals to, it's a 30 meter. The option C is correct. Given two buses we have that. Okay. So two buses and the positions of the buses are given. One is xp is given. Xp is equals to what? Alpha t plus, so it's a beta t square. Okay. So velocity means what? Vp directly. Differentiation alpha, differentiation of t is what? 1 plus beta, it's a 2t. Yes, Vp, this is my first condition. And for the second one is second, so xq is equals to what? We have ft minus t square. Velocity Vq is equals to what? F minus 2t. This is the second case. So both the buses should have the same velocity. Velocity Vp is equals to what? Vq. Vp is what? Alpha plus 2 beta t is equals to f minus 2t. Okay. So alpha minus f is equals to minus 2 beta t minus 2t. So this is equals to minus t is common, 2 beta plus 2. Okay. So here this is what? Minus common means that alpha minus f. Minus common means what happened? F minus alpha is equals to 2t times of beta plus 1. T is equals to, so f minus alpha by, so it's a 2 times of beta plus 1 is your answer. So t is equals to f minus alpha by 2 times of beta plus 1. So f minus alpha by 2 times of beta plus 1. Option D is answer. A particle is moving with a constant acceleration a following the graph. So v square versus x. So this is v square. Next one, here is the x. Both are given. Now, for two positions are mentioned A and B. Yes, here are the two positions. Now we are choosing on this. For a very first case, I want to find the acceleration. First, I need to use the equation v square minus u square is equals to 2as. V square is equals to u square plus 2as is my required condition. Next one, at the point A, okay. This is at the point A. Yes. At the point A is what? V square is equals to u square plus 2as. What is the V square? 40 is equals to u square plus 2a. S is what? This. Okay. So it's a 10. 40 is equals to u square plus 20a is the first condition. Next one, at the point B, so at the point B, yes, at the point B. Now we can use it as, at the point B, so now we can write on this, V square is equals to U square plus 2A, yes, V square is what for B, this is what V square, correct? This is what, it's a yes. So it's a 60 is equals to u square plus 2a. S is what it's a 20 is the second equation. Now subtract the equations. That's what one is equation number 2 minus 1 means what? 60 is equals to u square plus 40a. Next one, 40 is equals to, so it's a u square plus 20a. Okay, so this minus minus minus. So these two will be cancelled. It's a 20. 20 is equals to 20a. A is equals to 1 meter per second square. Some velocity is given. V is equals to under root of 5000 plus 24x. Then the acceleration, careful on this, acceleration as a function of position. A is equals to V into dV by dx is the relation. Okay, let us go through this. First I am talking about what is the dV by dx. But dV by dx is equals to d by dx of under root of 5000 plus 24x. Okay, so this is 5000 plus 24x is the first one. Now here first differentiation, d by dx of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x under root of 5000 plus 24x. Okay, 1 by 2 root x into differentiation of this part, 5000 is 0 constant, it's a 24. So this will be 2 ones to 12s. So what is the answer? 12 by square root of, so 5000 plus 24x is, so dV by dx. This is dV by dx. And next one, so when you talk about acceleration, A is equals to what? V into dV by dx. Okay. So what is the V? V is what? Square root of. So this is what? 5000 plus next 24x. Okay. Into next. So dV by dx is what? 12 by, so under root of 5000 plus 24x. Just be with a patience. So these two will be cancelled. So your answer is what? It's a 12 meter per second square. The answer is 12 meter per second square. This is what it's a 12. V is equals to alpha plus beta t square. Alpha and beta are constants. Okay. So alpha and beta are constants. But this is alpha t is the correct one. Some printing mistake here. So V is equals to alpha t plus beta t square. So I need to get the position from 1 second to 2 seconds. Careful on this. V means what? Dx by dt. Dx by dt is equals to alpha t plus beta t square. But dx is equals to what? Alpha t plus beta t square dt. Okay. So taking integration on both sides, limits from where? It's x1 to x2. At x1 is 1 second to 2 seconds. Integration of dx is what? X, limits from where? x1 to x2. So it's what? Alpha. Integration of t is what? It's a t square by 2 plus beta t square dt is what? It's a t cube by 3. Limits from 1 second to 2 second, 1 second to 2 second. So you need to remember, so this is what the particle is moving in a straight line path, displacement is equals to distance. So that's what x2 minus x1 is equal to, x2 minus x1 is equals to, so what do you write? Alpha by 2 times, so 2 square minus 1 square plus beta by 3 times, okay, so 2 cube minus 1 cube. So this is what displacement is equals to alpha by 2. 2 square minus 1 means what? It's a into 3 plus beta by 3 times. It's a 8 minus 1. This is 3 alpha by 2 plus 7 beta by 3 is the displacement or distance traveled, because it's a straight line path. So 3 alpha by 2 plus 7 beta by 3, option B is correct answer.